Hello everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. I'm going to be trying on products that I got from my Wet n Wild mystery box. Some of the products I'm going to be using aren't from Wet n Wild because I did not get them in the mystery box for that type of product. First off, I'm going to be trying the Photo Focus Matte Primer. I'm only putting it on half of my face to see if there's a difference. Next, I'll be using the green color corrector from them to cancel out redness that I have. For foundation, I have the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in Sand Beige. Next, I have the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in two different shades to mix. Next, I have the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Next, I have this McQueen New York blush in Pink Coral. Then I have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Winter Falls in LA. Then I have the Little Quad in Fit for a Queen. Next, I have the Mega Liner, and it is in Pink Coffin, which is metallic. I'm probably not going to use this because the brush is all messed up and it looks pretty clumpy. You can see that. Swatch of it. So it's pretty clumpy. So I'll skip to the mascara. It's the Mega Volume Mascara, and it is in very black. And last, we have the Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Flirt Alert. This is the look I got from the Wet n Wild mystery box, plus some other things. Now I have the two highlighters that I did not use in my overall look, and I'll be trying those on. First, I have the Bronze Over the Rainbow. Just like this. That looks like. And then I have the Lilac to Reality highlighter. And this is what it looks like.